How to log in to Nissan Finance account. In order to log in to Nissan Finance, you just simply need to open any of your browser and then search for Nissan Finance. Then this first link of nissanfinance.com will appear. Simply open that link. After opening Nissan's Finance link, you will be in this page where you will get a bunch of options, and one of them is login or register from the very top. Select that and you will again move to a different page where you just simply need to provide your details in order to log into Nissan Finance. First of all, simply enter your email address in this upper box, and after entering your email address, enter your password into this second box. And after entering your email and password in this page, just simply tap to continue and you will get a verification OTP in your email address. Simply enter your verification OTP and you can easily be logged into Nissan Finance account. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.